Like this video and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on you while you're sleeping. These donuts are stabilized and then flipped over into some handmade chocolate where they receive the perfect coating. This forward conveyor belt moves these flatbreads, folding them perfectly through this array of chain link mechanisms. This salmon is weighed, packaged, and sliced all in one step by this machine. This machine extracts, cleans, and pulverizes pineapples to make pineapple juice. This candy making machine with two arms that move in opposite directions makes the candy achieve the optimal consistency for consumers. This machine works in a counterclockwise motion to create the perfect sized dough balls every single time. This machine coats these layered cakes and at the same time smooths out the frosting, so that way no other process needs to be done afterwards. This machine removes shrine bones from pork slabs precisely with a precision blade. This machine is called the TX500 and it produces perfectly sliced cheese instantly. How pizza sauce is applied perfectly to frozen pizzas. A 180-degree rotating tray flips these pancakes perfectly every time, ensuring that they're cooked properly. This machine with twisted rotary heads rolls up these ice cream cakes in an oh so satisfying way. This machine with oscillating blades is able to quarter these sandwiches in just a matter of seconds. This machine uses two very hot circular pads to make the perfectly thin crisps. These donuts are precisely fried and then head over to an automated jelly injection machine. Ever wonder how Parmesan Romano cheese is crafted? Well, here you get a first look, it being handcrafted from start to finish. Crabs are cut up and prepped by various machines to prepare them for consumption and package crab legs. This machine has quick-acting levers that automatically hit away abnormally shaped and sized tomatoes. This machine is able to prep, cook, cut, and box pizza all in one clean, fast motion. This machine finally shreds potatoes and carrots. Think it takes a long time to craft hot dogs and sausages? Think again. These machines and skilled workers make it look super easy and quick. This chicken factory hatches, dismantles, and packs dozens upon dozens of chickens every single second. This machine arm is able to perfectly load these cookie trays every single time with a scheduled motion. These apples are very quickly peeled and textured by these machines that rotate counterclockwise. Humans and machines join forces to go step by step in making Asian tomato sauce as well as packaging it and shipping it off to consumers. This machine has two arms that work together to load up these trays of egg rolls precisely, getting them prepped for frying. This giant machine is able to mix thousands of pounds of cookie batter. All the workers have to do is add in the eggs. Machine spins counterclockwise, so that way this baker can evenly coat the cake with frosting. Through a very complex process with different machines, this factory shows how it packages and bags potatoes of various sizes. This machine uses a rather impressive egg lifter and then puts the eggs onto a conveyor belt where they are then cracked and harvested for other uses. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to leave a like, rating, and subscribe to the channel so that way you never miss any of our amazing uploads.